or I think it's the 5th one, whatever, but 22nd of July, but let's walk over here in the more shaded area. It's a nice red vehicle. So it kind of stretches out back into here. Just so many of them. This is how the Bad 50 was, so. Get into here, you got all kinds of, you know, that bad boy over there, that's kind of cool. More shadier back into here. You got another Oldsmobile up here. Convertible yellow dog up here. Grandstands is way over there. I was off. That grandstand's over there, so I saw a lot of concerts over there. Kiss was here one time. You could listen, you could hear him at night. It's pretty funny. Our free concert. Falcon. Oldsmobile right here. Here we are. Classic ones. Tell it's all original. Bad boy. Tops down, life is good. Classic. That's how we just cruise around with their vehicles. Firebird. Here comes a 66 SS 8 66. See, it was just a little different. Same, but the thing in the back are different. SS, look at that bad boy. 392. Oh yeah, look at that bad boy. Look at that sucker. Go. I like that. For sale Camaro now, thank you. There you go. I'll take this one over that one any day. Nice Iowa. Like that bad boy. Ooh, baby. Very nice. Boss 427, 1967. There you go. Not cheap. I think, huh? Nice. Then you get over here to a classic. Murphy, I love Comets. 4-doors are beautiful. I love the Comet. Ah, Sebring. Glad I came down here. Some cool cars down here. Look at this bad boy right here. That's nice. CarQuest, Kane, Automotive. Nice. Nice. A lot of cool cars. So many. There's a bunch over here. I'm gonna run over by the grandstand, work my way back to the vehicle. So, but, I mean, like I said, I could put my vehicle in here if I wanted. But here's nice, cool. Here's a older Mustang. They butchered the Mustangs ones now. Here you go. These are collectors. Am I right? What is it? A Monte or is it a? Yeah, it's a Monte Carlo. Yep. You don't see too many of these. They all got smashed up in Enduros. They all got smashed up. Look at that bad boy. Nice. Up that red thing, but yeah, it's GT over there, another Impala over there, Caprice I think it is. We'll go look at that one. Yeah, there's just a shitload all over the place. farm right over there. That's pretty funny. Here's a car I'd buy right here. This one's gorgeous. Dart.
All the way back and then down the tail.
So that is. Look at that bad boy. This is a car you take out on Sundays. Look at it. Look how that radiator is. You get the batteries right here. You got your brake thing right. You get at it. Everything is easy to get at. The alternator is easy to get at. Everything right over there. Solid. It's cool about the whole thing. It's a gorgeous. It is a. 1965. Oh man, Route 66. It's kind of, look at this trunk. You can put a body when you go in there. That's kind of, ooh, oh. Another Javelin. You see two of these bad boys again. Second one, I'm in love. Nice.
I wish I had that. I'm gonna get sick. Trying to fix my hand.
It is 1974 Javelin. Fast as hell.
Cool,
You don't see these too many. You just don't. They're rare. A friend of mine had a red one with black interior. It was gorgeous.
You know what made these guys go out of business?
Who? Chrysler?
Dodge.
Yeah.
Because they borrow money from Fiat.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
Right now they're borrowing money from Fiat and we use them for government vehicles.
Yep.
We shut them back in the 80s.
It's too bad. AMC made some great vehicles. They did.
The way AM General would made all the postal vehicles. Oh, yeah.
If they were smart, they'd bring back the Javelin. If they were smart, Chrysler would. They'd bring back the Javelin. They'd put a big. They should bring back the Javelin. Yep. Classic vehicle. Very nice. So let's go over. Here we go. I think it's a yeah. It is a. See, a little bit different. The Caprice. It's a rare car right there. You don't see a lot of Caprices. Two-door for that matter. You see four, but very little twos. They have that unique in the light back there. You see very few two-door Caprices. Love those. This is a beautiful car. 427. Oh my goodness. Oh, triple jet. Nice. Oh my word. What do you guys think, huh? And I like these. I had a guy I cared for, Ed Chief Gould. Every year he got one of these. He leased it for a full year. Love this vehicle over here. It's classic. Love these Continentals. Great. Love these vehicles. You don't see too many of these. These are like, you can get them for like inexpensive. They're fun to drive. They're big. Look at that bad boy. Oh my goodness. Look at that car right there. Oh my. But anyways, there's some beautiful cars here. All right, GTO right over there. Bel Air's gonna sit there by himself. A couple GTOs here. Good to see Javelin. Anyways, we're gonna turn the camera off. We're gonna run over the other side over there. So I hope you enjoy it. We'll see you in the next one.